what's in the box. Before we get into that, I have 20 silver rounds right here, and I also have 20 silver rounds here. And I have one gold round here, and I have one silver American Eagle right here. Now, if I gave you guys a choice, well, let's just say I was going to give you everything. You can actually get this gold coin. You can get this silver coin, which is about $20. You can get this and this, all of it all together. Or I would give you guys what's in this box. But I wouldn't let you know what's in the box. You guys would have to choose. Okay? Now, before you go on in this video to actually find out what's in this box, take a second, go in the comments down below and tell me which one would you take. Would you take the gold and silver, or would you take the box? Comment down, right? Silver or box. Let me know. All right, while you guys are doing that, thank you guys for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know, which one would you take? Would you take the silver and gold, or would you take the box? Hit me up on my social media platform. Links are found in the description below. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
I'm working for work, babe.
My bad, wrong intro video.
I'm working for work, babe. Working for work, babe.
Now, before we go to what's in the box, it's not gold, it's not silver. I know. You guys want to know. I want to know what's in the box too. I mean, there's like a little kid inside of me that forgot what I put in there, and he wants to know what's in the box. So I'm curious as well, even though I already know what's in the box. But you guys don't know. But to be honest with you, the whole point of this video is what's in this box. That's not the whole point. Let me just open the box up for you and see. Ah, it's money. It's money. Yeah, hey, it's money. Okay, let's see how much it is. We have a 50, another 50, that's 100, another 50, another 50, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, well, that's $580 that was in this box. Okay, now if you chose the box and you know nothing about precious metals, then you're one happy guy because you chose the box, and now you're $580 richer. But if you chose the box and you know pretty much about gold and silver, then you're like, man, oh my gosh, why did I go with my curiosityness? The whole point of this video is, to let you guys know, if you're new to this, if you're experienced, then okay, this is just another video. Hopefully you guys get entertained by it. But if you're new to this, I want you guys to know that this is nothing but paper. This is nothing but paper. This alone can't even buy me this. Can't even buy me this. It could buy me half of it. Not even half. It could buy me like a good 40% of it. $580. But no, yeah, a good third. Yeah, a good third of this it could buy me. So that means if I cut this down in 3 ways, evenly up in if I cut this evenly 3 ways, then that's how much it is here. So this right here pretty much dwarfs the amount that you see here, and it's nothing but paper. If I take all these right here and I burn it up, let's see, right here like this. Oh, I really don't want to burn it up though. All right. If I take all this and I burn it up, honey, is there something burning? Nah, it's just me. I'm on fire. All right. So like I was saying, if I take all this and I burn it up, it's pretty much useless. But you guys seen me. I've actually took silver. I'll never do it to this. But you guys actually seen me on one of my videos. Well, some people did. If you haven't, you can actually watch this video here. Now, I've actually took it. Matter of fact, let me see if I have it right here. Matter of fact, there it goes right there in front of you guys. I've actually burned this with, I think it's the same lighter. I can actually burn it and nothing will happen to it. Matter of fact, even if it melts, I can still scrape it up and still have it and still keep its value. Just wait until it cools down. It's still worth something. This is fiat currency. This is nothing but fiat currency. It means nothing. It means nothing. I would actually throw it on the floor, but I've done that so much on my other videos, and I think it would be a waste of time of me actually doing it now. So yeah, it means nothing. Pretty much the whole point is silver is where it's at. Some people may agree, some people may disagree, but silver is where it's at. Money is just paper. Paper, it pretty much holds no value. This is what it is. Like, I can substitute this. It's like me going up to you and be like, hey, I'll give you this for silver, or this for food, or this for gas. It's pretty much nothing. But the United States, or the government, or people brainwashed us to actually believe that this is everything that we go to work for. Well, actually, we all do go to work for this. But once you get this, what is it worth to you? This is what you're working for. This is what you're given the only time. You only get one life to live. You only get a certain amount of hours in your life. And this is what you're working for. This right here is what you're given for. Paper. Paper which value goes up and down in value. This history, there's places that has paper money, that has fiat currency that actually crashed down to zero. We're talking about people who saved and saved and saved and saved and saved some more to actually work hard, and they gave up all their time with their kids, with their wife, with their siblings, or whatever. Family. They gave all of it for this, and to watch this go down straight to zero. And then people wonder why people want to commit suicide. They're not committing suicide for this. This is not what they're committing suicide for. They're committing suicide because the time it took them to make this. If I gave you this right now, if I gave you guys this right now, you guys will probably burn it up. Not really burn it up like I just did with this. Not burn it up like that. But you guys will probably just go shopping with it. And within the next hour, it'll be gone. Because you guys didn't work for it. That's why it would be like that. But if you guys worked for it and you guys got paid and this is what you guys got for your work, then it'll mean more to you. See, time is precious. Time is valuable. This is not. This is not. And what you guys need, the reason I'm buying silver and gold is because this represents my time. Why do I say that? Because it has biblical history. It lasted the test of time. So I believe, this is my opinion now, my opinion, I believe this is the reason why you guys should put your money, what? Let me stop saying that. Let me be politically correct. This is the reason why I'm putting the money that I spent my time, my hard work time, the time I took away from my family, and I buy this because this is a representation of time itself. We're talking about if Jesus himself were buying stuff back then, this is what, not exactly this, but this is what he used. He used platinum, silver, gold, or any other precious metal out there. This is what he used. And we're talking about someone who's been gone for about a good 2,000 years. And this goes way beyond that. Let's go 1000 BC. That's 1,000 years before Christ came. This has biblical history. I would be able to go back in time, give them this. It doesn't matter if it says 2016. It doesn't matter if it says 1929. I can give them this, and I probably can buy camels. I can probably buy food. I can probably buy whatever I need if I had a time machine. I keep saying that, man. Honestly, that was every child's dream, to have a time machine. I wish I had a time machine. I would save Martin Luther King. There's so much stuff I would have done. Oh my gosh. I would have met Michael Jackson. But anyways, I digress. This is worth time. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out.
Why I work